Today I'm going to show you how you can make your older car, your car from the 90s to early 2000 or mid 2000 car without a Bluetooth connection. I'm going to show you how you can add Bluetooth connection to your older mid 2000 car simply by using my gadget from GizmoGuyGadget.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. This gadget will be able to add Bluetooth function to your older car factory radio without Bluetooth capability. So we simply use my gadget to add Bluetooth capability to your mid 2000 car radio by simply adding my gadget. So what we're doing here is we're making this dumb old car with a dumb old radio, make it as smart as your new smartphone by using my Gizmo Guy Gadget. Today we're in this 2011 Corolla, and this is the factory radio. And what we're going to do is we're going to add Bluetooth function to this radio right here. This factory radio that only has AM, FM, and CD player, but no Bluetooth capability. So we're going to add Bluetooth capability and make this car radio smart as our new smartphone. So this is my device, and let me show you how it works and how to get it to work. So the device comes with just the display, the actual display unit, and the wire. The wire one is for the aux, the 3.5 millimeter for the aux, and the USB for power. So I'm going to show you how to get the Bluetooth onto this radio. First, you get if you have a USB power outlet on your car, you can just plug it in. If not, like this one does not have a USB for us to plug in, so we'll use this cigarette charger from GizmoGuyGadgets.com, GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Okay, you plug this into this for power, like that. That's all you have to do. That's all you have to do is to add Bluetooth capability to this radio by using the Gizmo Guy Gadget. So all you have to do is plug this in to the power source for the cigarette lighter for power source. And once we plug it in, you'll see that the power comes on. That's all you have to do. Then all you have to do is set the radio. We'll make sure the radio set is set right. We'll turn on the radio and set it to 87.9, which matches to this. That's all you have to do. Now you're ready to enjoy all your Bluetooth, all your smartphone function right through your car radio. Let me show you. Okay, so first we're just gonna make sure it is paired to the correct station, and you'll be able, if you turn up the volume, you'll be able to hear some noise, a little bit, but not too much. So we're gonna turn it off. Turn it back on.
Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection.
See, just simply by plugging this device onto the cigarette lighter for power and set your car radio station to 87.9. You're ready to go. Let me do it again. Turn it off. And if you were just walking into the car, turn on the ignition.
Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
That's it. That's all you have to do to add Bluetooth capability to your factory radio. Now all you have to do is just push for play. You'll be able to hear all your music from your smartphone through your car radio loud and clear. You can use this to adjust the volume. Forward. Backward. And you can even talk on the phone by simply pressing this button when you receive a phone call. The music stopped. Push it again. Music plays. So this is how easy you can add Bluetooth capability to your older mid-2000 factory radio without any modifications or a new radio. Simply by connecting my device. Turn it down. Simply by connecting my device to your radio, and you'll be able to enjoy all the smartphone features from your smartphone right through your car radio. You'll be able to listen to podcasts, news, sports, anything you want to listen to. You can even use your voice commands such as Siri or a Google or Alexa to voice command using the AI to command all the functions from your smartphone right through your car radio. Okay, so this is the quickest and the easiest way to add Bluetooth capability to your older mid-2000 car radio such as this. All you have to do is get my device and plug it in and you're ready to go. Enjoy all your music from your smartphone, all the smartphone features from your smartphone right through your car radio. Essentially, what my gadget does is to make your older dumb car smart like today's car. Your car will be as smart as your new smartphone. Okay, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Goodbye.